Hello guys, I'm new here in YouTube. Just made an account to promote ourselves. We have an Instagram account. Our name there is mermaid_squish. Please check us out. I am gonna show a few sales that we have available, and I also wanted to show this shirt that we got. My daughter and I, we got the same matching shirts from Cinder Cake 415. Vivian, she's amazing. Shout out to her. I even sent her a message today. I'm like, hey, I'm gonna do my first YouTube video. Can I use your shirt? And she's like, yes, go for it. I'm like, yay, thank you. So let me get started with that. With squishies that I have available. So let me show you this one first. I think this is one of my favorite at the moment. The Ibloom book with its cheesecake. This is mine. This is the one I have for my collection. So let me show you how it comes in the box. And I'm gonna try not to make a long video. This is my first video. I don't want to bore you guys. So with time, I hope I do get better. So this is the squishy. This is the design we got. Let's see. It's really soft. I have these available. If you are interested in prices, go ahead and send me a message in my Instagram, mermaid_squish. I think it's too bright. How is this? So soft. And it smells like bread. It has that sweet scent to it, bread scent. So I got this one. I also have these available. They are new. I did open them so I can give the chance to my customers to pick their option, to give them an option so they can pick what they want, what they like, and whatever they're missing in their collection. So I have these. So I have a few left. So here's another one. So go ahead. And I have it numbered. So if you go to my Instagram, you'll totally see, hey, you can pick a number. What number do you want? And I already know which one it is. Also, we also have the chocolate fort. I know a lot of you already have it. Some of you don't. It smells amazing. This is from our collection. This is mine. That's why I open. Whatever I open, that's from my collection. I keep so I can show you guys. It's so amazing. It smells even better. It's so pretty. I even love the details. Do you see? So pretty. I've been wanting to pull a prank on one of my family members, but I haven't. But I am soon, and I hope I can record it and I can show you guys how it goes. Love this one. I also have this one, the Cosmo Harajuku. It's mine. I love it so much. Wherever if you guys follow me on Instagram, you'll see that I post about these all the time. I have these in the other 3 colors available. I don't know, is it too bright? Am I too close? I think it's better. Okay, let me. I think it's better. And this one matches the cheesecake, one of the cheesecakes, and it's so soft. And you see, it's so pretty. I also have these available. I have all the designs available. They're all available in my Instagram. So go ahead and send me a message if you're interested. What do you guys think about this one? About the new packaging? I love it. I love the pastel colors. They're really, really soft. And they smell so nice. What else do I have to show you guys? I also have the mini mic pants. And I've heard some say Mickey pants, my pants. I have the 3 designs available. They're really soft. Some of you might be also interested in the Sumiko Gurashi toast. They are amazing. I have both designs available. They are soft, and they're soft, but they are a little damp and not as slow rising as you can see. They have like a nice smell, chemical scent to them. And let me let you guys know, I am a little nervous. This is my first video, so please be nice. Let's all be nice to each other. This one, I think this one's softer than the other design. Why? I don't know. But let's see what I get. What do you guys think? It's really, it has a scent, but it's like a really faded scent. You see that one? I also have these available. I have all 4 colors. They are really slow rising. I have all of these colors available, so if you're interested, go check them out. Look at these. This is one of my favorite from all the designs I have. I think there's 8 designs. I'm trying to go quick here. I'm still learning, and with time, I hope I do get better with these YouTube videos. I have these as well. These are so soft, as you can see. I only have 3 designs. The first one that I showed you, this one, and this one. They have a really sweet scent to them, really slow rising. I also have these available. They are also open. Like I said, I like to give my customers a chance to pick their toast, their whatever they I don't know, they want to get. So this one is this design right here. So I am just going to show you the designs I have available for now. Let me see. I have this design as well. I don't want to be away from the camera like so long. I don't want to bore you. Maybe I'm already boring you guys. And I have this design and this design. So if you're interested in the mini toast or the mini Ibloom toast, got them as well. Oh, and another ones that I wanted to show you were these. They're so pretty. They're so slow rising as well. So soft. And I have all the 4 designs. They're the mini ones. I might get jumbos soon. I'm not sure. I want to start with mini ones and then go from there. The only jumbo squishies that I have at the moment are these. Love this. So soft. Okay, what else am I going to show you? Well, I think that's it for now. I have a whole bunch of squishies available. They're listed in my Instagram. So go ahead, guys, check my Instagram out. I'm gonna try to leave all the information down below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Be nice. It is my first video, so no negative comments, please. I am gonna try to answer any questions you guys have every time. So questions, go ahead, leave them down below. And I am gonna give, I'm gonna put my Instagram name down below as well. Okay, and I am gonna get more squishes in from Creamy Candy, Popular Boxes, and other brands. Can't think of them right now because I'm so nervous. But thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video. Thank you.